A side hustle can increase your income and help you become more financially independent. In addition to helping you diversify your revenue streams, many are motivated to develop a new skill or do something they enjoy. According to a recent study, 1 in 3 Americans, 34%, have a side hustle. Of those who have a side hustle, 2/3, 67%, started one within the past 5 years, and 3 out of 10, 31%, started a side hustle during the pandemic. The trend is growing, with another 1 out of 4 planning to start one soon. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we'll be looking at the 7 side hustles that you can start in 2022. Yeah, you heard it right. So, let's start our video. Number 1. Create and sell your own handmade goods. It's no surprise that many Shopify merchants start successful businesses out of a hobby they did in their spare time. If you enjoy doing the work, it doesn't feel like work. Think of something you enjoy doing, even when no one's paying you. Whether it's carpentry, knitting, painting, or crafting, these hobbies can serve as a foundation for many excellent side hustles. Almost everyone has a hobby or creative outlet that they're passionate about. You're in an especially good position if yours involves making something with your hands. Although, creating handmade products requires plenty of time spent learning the craft. It's one of the best ways to stand out in a sea of commodity of products. On top of this, sourcing raw materials puts you in a unique position to ensure your manufacturing process aligns with your brand values. In fact, many business owners are using their values, such as their products containing recyclable materials, as part of their sales pitch. Take Dick Moby for example, a retailer that makes sunglasses using only oil-free acetate, an eco-friendly plastic substitute. Number 2. Create your own designs for a print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand businesses are fun, low-risk ventures if you got a passion for design and are looking to dip your feet into the entrepreneurial waters. Shopify apps such as Printful and Printify allow you to easily upload custom designs to products like t-shirts, mugs, canvas bags, pillows, and more, so you can directly import new products into your Shopify store. When customers make a purchase, items are printed off and shipped directly to them from your manufacturer. Print on demand offers one key advantage over manufacturing products in bulk. Your supply of products can match and scale with demand without having to make large inventory purchases up front, and you can still add your own flair and branding to products through your custom visual designs. On top of this, since the grunt work of manufacturing and shipping are outsourced to a third party, you'll have more time to work on designing and marketing your business. Number 3. Start a dropshipping business. If you like the automated aspects of print on demand, but are more interested in marketing and operations over creating custom designs, consider starting a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is another business model where a third party manufactures and ships existing products for you. Dropshipping is also a low-risk opportunity because, again, products are only being shipped when they're purchased, which leaves plenty of room for profit so long as your marketing expenses are reasonable. With a third party in charge of manufacturing and shipping, dropshipping also frees up a lot of time. Number 4. Start a zine and sell digital subscriptions. What is a zine? Is that like a magazine? Sort of. A zine is typically a smaller circulation work. Occasionally, the term zine is used to describe any magazine focused on a niche audience, but the primary difference from a magazine is the handcrafted, independent element that draws on ideas and values not covered by the mainstream media. For artists and writers, a zine can be a valuable vehicle to showcase your work. For activists, it can be an important way to mobilize people. Zines have such rich tradition of showcasing alternative, underappreciated works of art and literature. The internet has given the next generation of zine editors a platform for sharing new ideas through the form of digital subscriptions. With Shopify's digital downloads app, it's relatively easy to securely sell digital files, while the Lulu Express app can help with self-publishing physical copies of your zine. Number 5. Become a freelancer. Freelancing has definitely benefited from the efficiencies created by the internet. It's now easier than ever for experienced and up-and-coming writers, programmers, designers, and other specialists to connect with clients and provide their services from anywhere in the world. If you're looking for a side gig that provides with a lot of room for growth and comparatively quick returns, freelancing might be for you. While freelancing does require you to trade time for money directly, the path to revenue is more straightforward than waiting for a product to pick up traction. Freelancing is an especially great side hustle for soon-to-be or recent graduates who find themselves getting crowded out of full-time jobs by more experienced peers. For some professionals, working on a project-by-project basis allows them to earn money while building a valuable portfolio and strengthening their resumes with a list of satisfied clients. Number 6. Teach an online course. Learning a new trade, skill, or subject isn't always easy. It requires research, time, and a genuine interest in the subject matter. But chances are, there are topics and talents that you're already well versed in, especially compared to the general public. So why not teach them? Teaching is one of the most rewarding opportunities, and with online platforms like Udemy and Coursera, it's become incredibly easy for experienced teachers across the world to connect with enthusiastic students. The beauty of teaching an online course is that the subject of your course is limited only by your knowledge and imagination. Are you an expert on the history of the Roman Empire? Teach that. Have experience beekeeping? Share what you've learned. As long as there are people who want to learn from your experience and are willing to pay to have the information packaged and presented in an accessible way, you can make a course about nearly anything. Start a blog. Blogging is one of the most popular side hustles because it can be done from just about anywhere. With just a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection, any location can be turned into your personal publishing den. Blogging may not be profitable right away, but for aspiring writers looking to build up a personal brand, audience, and portfolio, a blog does go a long way in advancing your career. In fact, one of the most interesting things about blogging is the roundabout way that it may benefit your current career. Sharing your work can show employers and hiring managers how you think about problems and what projects you've worked on. Getting this knowledge down can help you get discovered or stand out from a barrage of resumes if you decide to apply to a new role. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section down below. I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned.